Which player did Carlos Alcaraz defeat in the 2025 US Open final? Correct option is C. Jannik Sinner. Where is the headquarters of the North Central Railway Zone located? Right option is A. Prayagraj. Under which article can the President suspend the enforcement of fundamental rights? Correct option is D. Article 359. What is India's rank on the UN Sustainable Development Report 2025? Correct option is A. 99th. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2034? Right option is B. Saudi Arabia. Which shortcut key is used to delete the word to the left of the cursor in MS Office? Correct option is B. Ctrl plus backspace. Who among the Satvahan rulers composed the Gatha Saptashti? Right option is C. King Hala. Who is the current chairman of the Board of Management at BMW AG? Right option is D. Oliver Zips. Which law did Mahatma Gandhi refer to as the Black Act? Correct option is B. The Rowlatt Act 1919. What does PCB stand for? Correct option is A. Printed Circuit Board. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of the Chandrayaan-2 launch? Right option is C. Narendra Modi. Under which constitutional amendment was 33% reservation for women in panchayats provided? Correct option is B. 73rd Amendment Act 1992. Which ancient mega-ocean surrounded the supercontinent Pangaea? Right option is D. The Panthalsa Ocean. Which tissue is primarily responsible for the increase in the length of a plant's stem and roots? Correct option is B. Meristematic tissue. In June, India secured the presidency of which international body after defeating Austria in an election? Correct option is B. International Institute of Administrative Sciences. What is the theme for World Wildlife Day 2025? Correct option is C. Wildlife Conservation Finance, investing in people and planet. Which of the following is not a direct tax? Correct option is A. Value-added tax. What was the main goal of the Brundtland Report 1987, Our Common Future? Right option is C. Sustainable development. From which village in India was the first AI-powered Anganwadi started? Right option is B. Vadhana, Maharashtra. Who are the principal founders of the Sadharan Brahmo Samaj in 1878? Right option is C. Ananda Mohan Bose, Shib Chandra Deb and Umesh Chandra Datta. What is the maximum width of a cell in Microsoft Excel? Correct option is B. 255 characters. Which keyboard shortcut opens the open dialog box in MS PowerPoint? Correct option is D. Ctrl plus O. Gharana is a term associated with which type of music? Correct option is C. Hindustani classical music. Who proposed the doctrine of lapse? Correct option is D. Lord Dalhousie. What percentage of sunlight is received by green leaves? Right option is C. 1%. Which age group of children is counted when calculating infant mortality rate? Right option is B. Children under 1 year old. Chennai port falls under which maritime region? Correct option is A. Bay of Bengal. Who assumed the title Gangai Konda Cholpuram? Correct option is A. Rajaraja Chola first. By which process do plants primarily absorb water from the soil into their roots? Correct option is D. Osmosis. What does the acronym NCCF stand for? Correct option is C. National Cooperative Consumers Federation of India. Which research cell did General Upendra Dwivedi inaugurate at IIT Madras to boost self-reliance in defense technology? Correct option is B. Agni Shodh. Why does the water in a clay pot stay cool? Right option is C. Due to evaporation. Who won the men's singles tennis title at the 2025 Cincinnati Open? Right option is B. Carlos Alcaraz. Which of the following dances involving the sticks is traditionally performed during the festival of Navratri? Correct option is C. Dandiya Ras. For what purpose was the Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 led by Mahatma Gandhi? Correct option is A. To improve the conditions of indigo farmers. What is the term for the population residing in cities and towns? Correct option is D. Urban population. Which country's leader is known as the Dragon King? Correct option is C. Bhutan. Who developed the theory of continental drift? Right option is A. Alfred Wegener. What is a plain email? Right option is A. An email containing only unformatted text. Life expectancy is related to which of the following? Right option is B. Human development. What is the primary force responsible for pulling water up to the leaves of a tall tree? Correct option is C. Transpiration pull. What happens to the speed of sound if the temperature of the medium increases? Correct option is B. The speed of sound increases. What is the coastal zone called where tides rise and fall? Right option is A. Tidal zone. What is the name of the integrated brigade being formed by the Indian Army that combines infantry, armor, artillery, and unmanned aerial vehicles? Right option is C. Rudra Brigade. What is a plain email? Correct option is B. Text-only mail. Sunlight in presence of chlorine while reacting with methane causes which of the following? Correct option is A. Substitution.